Welcome. Hi. The plan is simple: fix. Today we are going to deal with the repair of the MacBook A 1990 display. In one of the earlier videos, I announced a case with a display signal tape repair. Today, and quite possibly, I'll never have to repair the tape. Unfortunately, the currently installed display is not reparable due to mechanical damage to the display structure itself. As fate would have it, I got my hands on all the things I needed over time, and that's how this film was made. All kinds of stripes, lines, spots, cracks, bad pixels are mechanical damages, and in this case nothing can be done. Replacement only. Such a display can be replaced. I don't mean the entire sash with hinges, backlight, but the LCD display itself, which is quite complicated, and I have already shown such a replacement. I will leave a link in the description. I mentioned that I wasn't going to repair the tape, all because I was just going to replace it. Maybe not so much simply, because it's not easy, and the trick will be to get the display out without damaging it. In 2017, I was already removing the display and replacing the backlight with full success, so when I saw the signal tape of the display, I ordered it right away, and the rest came quickly by itself. I haven't found a video on YouTube that would show how to replace the tape. All of the ones I've seen have connected the tape with wires, and I've recorded such a video myself with the backlight repair. In fact, such an operation in the absence of the backlight itself will be much safer, while repairing the signal tape is a fight with windmills for me. A lot of work to put together, but most of all, it's the uncertainty of whether the situation will not be repeated, and complaints are like a virus. Another disadvantage will be the work from the physical point of view of the display itself, which, since the factory breaks, the wires are only a matter of time. Besides, from my unofficial research, Apple made the tape about a micromillimeter too short, hence it breaks. By making my connections on the backlight in another video, I extend the entire tape and I didn't have any information that something wasn't working. By joining the tape with wires, we leave the length of the tape the same, and thus the defect is still there. The usual manifestation of the effects of tape damage is a change in the image, colors, artifacts. In this display, there is no image at all when opening or closing. There is also no mechanical damage. After removing the strap covering the signal tapes, beware, this strap is glass. I know because I happened to damage it. I speed up the video because it really takes quite a lot of time, and on top of all that, the focus is at the maximum level. I'm not going to talk about the process in detail, because maybe I'll do a training and I think it's a really worthwhile topic. Firstly, it's the high price of the display, and secondly, the price of the strip is at the level of a few dollars. Speaking of training, I did a training on how to replace the OLED and LCD display glass itself. It's available in Polish, but it will be in English in the future, so maybe just sign up for the newsletter to stay up to date. Link in the description. This display is not a repair for the customer, so I don't care too much about cleanliness, quality, but I do it for a test, if it is possible. This is my first such repair. As you can see, the effect is still the same. There are no cracks, which makes me very happy, because I can start replacing the tapes. As you have seen, the process is quite complicated, but what an effect! Feel free to subscribe to the channel. There will be several videos in a short time, including iCloud removal, M1 and M2 motherboard repair. Thank you for your attention. Take care. See you soon.